A very warm and loving welcome to all of you that are tuning into this video. If you're new to my channel, VEDMAYI is about sharing ancient Indian knowledge and making it accessible in today's world, so bringing the ancient to the modern. Today's video, we're going to be talking about what is Lakshmi and what is wealth, and how can you attract wealth. Lakshmi is the energy that represents wealth. It is the embodiment of wealth. There are two things in life, lack and abundance. When you are in love, blissed out, joyful, feeling gratitude, you are in abundance. When you're anxious, fearful, attached, craving, enraged, experiencing sorrow, or frustrated, you are in the realm of lack. Abundance is wealth, and wealth is the vibration of prosperity and the feeling of gratitude and reverence. That is Lakshmi. By focusing your attention and praying to the aspect of divinity in the form of wealth, you're augmenting that consciousness of wealth. Through the consciousness of contentment and satisfaction, you enter into wealth consciousness, and you will attract wealth because you become that wealth. There are different types of wealth, and money is just one of them. Money is solely wealth for the association that money can bring. Sometimes too much focus on earning money or focus on a material aspect can be detrimental to values, families, health, happiness, and even righteousness. Money is just a limb of wealth. Wealth is health and supreme happiness, a feeling of absolute contentment. When you're happy and grateful, you are connected to the source. And when you are connected to the source, you're able to attract more wealth, including money. A complaining or disturbed mind must first be transformed if money is an immediate need. This is where surrender and prayer comes in place. Surrender is to pass on your burdens to the Supreme Consciousness and to feel freedom. This is the first step to let go. And the second one is prayer, a sincere connection and intention. A call for help is stronger with the connection and feeling more than simply uttering words. Strong feelings carry more power than logical words. Praying is the most important tool that you have. It is communicating to the universe to conspire towards fulfilling your wishes. And the third thing is faith. Faith is not being feverish once you have asked for something. You cannot be too ahead of what you want to the point that you are lacking in consciousness. Feverishness is a lack of consciousness or a lack of mindfulness. Having faith is giving the universe a chance to act and to respond to your sincere wish and intention. It is believing in the universe and having infinite patience. And if you cannot do that, then surrender and know that there is a power that is there to take care of you and to help you. It is only with having a wealth consciousness you attract money, wealth, and any other resource that you might need. That power and that wealth consciousness is embodied by Lakshmi. Lakshmi is inside of you, outside of you, and around you. Wherever there is health, happiness, positivity, wisdom, and an abundance mindset, Lakshmi is that very vibration. Wealth attracts wealth, and you attract what you emit. Praying to Lakshmi imbibes her in your consciousness and surroundings. When you pray, you surrender your ego and your small mind to something that is higher in consciousness than you are, or higher in consciousness than what you currently identify with. When you pray, you actually become the one that you pray to. So praying to the Lakshmi vibration matches you with that frequency, and in turn you receive what you have been seeking. I hope that this video helps answer some of the questions that you might have been searching for, and I wish you good luck in your quest for wealth consciousness and manifesting whatever you desire. I sincerely hope and pray that Goddess Lakshmi provides you with all the resources you need to achieve your goal. If you like this video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on all your notifications. Please leave a comment. Please share this with anyone that you think might benefit from this, and we will see you in another video. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comment box below. Until then, wish you lots of love and light.